Seven hidden habits that ruins your focus during studying. Focus isn't just about a sharp line. Just sit down and study with your phone, silent, your phone, your books open, and quiet space around you. Still, your mind keep drafting. If you can't feel frustrating, especially when you consciously the try is you are not alone. This happens to a lot of students. The real reasons might be easy to miss. It is easy to assume that distraction or the lack of motivation have to be blamed, but the real answer is sometimes more subtle. This when often overlooked habit could be exactly affecting your ability to stay focused while studying. 1. Studying right after a meal. After the heaviest meal, your body uses more energy of digestion. Can you feel sluggish? The plan is more demanding the study session before meal and keep the post-meal session wise and short. Passing while studying, the movie around while reading or revising may feel energizing, but it can divide your attention. For deeper focus, it's better to sit in one place, just working only during short mid-stop break or for any idea generation. Sitting in poor lighting, dim lighting, or harm-wise light can quietly drain your alertness and lowers your focus. Natural daylight or the soft spot, the lamp helps your brain stay alert and relaxed at the same time. Create the right mood for the studying session. Keeping emotion unchecked. If you start studying while you're feeling exhausted, started or overwhelmed, it's become harder to concentrate. Uh, Talking the short past to recognize your emotions can create a mental space need to focus better. Multitasking. Doing several things at one might seem efficient, but it is often breaks your concentration without your relaxing is. Often, quickly the checks in the message on the phone while studying makes you harder to your brain to stay fully engaged. Reducing is a study rhythms that doesn't fit you. Discovers your mental concentration and span that makes it easier to be able to study the routine that actually works. The fix doesn't not work for day one, so it's 20-minute breaks between the